My name's Mark Becker. I'm with Todd Services. So we've been with Brighton Ford for about 3 decades. Brighton Ford for us is a kind of a one-stop shop. They have a body shop, a service department which can service the heavy-duty trucks. What Brighton Ford does is they'll bring a service van right to our location for warranty work, small service projects, and it's just handy, convenient for us. Todd Services in the last 7 years has increased from about 80 vehicles, we're up to about 210. I'd say 75% of those vehicles are Fords. F-150s, 250s, 350s, transit vans, transit connects, cube vans, and they've helped us out and had inventory every time we've needed new vehicles. If you are looking for a commercial vehicle, Brighton Ford is great. They're local and they've been here a long time, and I think they'll be here another 50 years.